breathing has been divided into three parts: inhalation, exhalation, and holding the breath. So when you hold the breath, it becomes retention of breath. Breath retention is called kumbhak in yoga, and kumbhaks are extremely beneficial if you're facing a lot of stress, anxiety, depression, overthinking, or you have unnecessary racing thoughts. Kumbhaks could be extremely helpful. There are two types of kumbhaks. First is internal kumbhak, which means you inhale your breath, then you hold the breath. And there is another kumbhak which is called external kumbhak. When you exhale completely, then you hold your breath. Kumbhaks can be used in most of the pranayams. Today I am demonstrating you two pranayams where kumbhaks can be used effectively. First is your Omkar pranayam. As you know, when you do Omkar, you simply inhale long and deep. After that, you chant Omkar with exhalation. But while using kumbhaks, after you inhale deeply, then you are going to hold your breath as possibly as you can. And when you feel that you can no longer hold your breath inside, then you are going to chant Omkar with exhalation. Inhale deeply to the nose, hold your breath, Now second pranayam is Nadi Shodhan pranayam, where we are using kumbhaks after inhalation and also after the exhalation. Nadi Shodhan is alternate nostril breathing, where you will be using your both nostrils equally. So in Nadi Shodhan pranayam, we are using internal as well as external kumbhak. Make sure your breath should be slow and deep. Now get ready for this kumbhak Nadi Shodhan pranayam. In kumbhak, when you hold your breath for a long time, the flow of breath, the flow of prana stops towards your brain. And now your brain is struggling hard to find the oxygen. When you start your breathing again, the brain takes maximum amount of oxygen to fulfill it, and the flow of prana reaches to its maximum limit. When the kumbhak has been used, the thoughts, The anxieties, fears, depression all vanishes. While using Kumbhaks, you will feel that your racing thoughts just fall down because it is a survival of your brain. So when we use Kumbhaks, we are cheating brain at one level. When you release your breath after a long time, the flow of blood, the flow of prana becomes very high, and all the blockages that we have inside our bodies just flushes out. Kumbhaks unblocks your trapped energies, trapped emotions, trapped fears, anxieties that you are holding for a long time. If you are going through heart issues, high blood pressure, asthma, then you must avoid Kumbhakas. Then you should do continuous breathing. When your breathing becomes normal, when you feel that you can do Kumbhaks right now, only then you should use the Kumbhaks.